Goodbody Global Leaders Fund is an actively managed global equity fund that invests in the world's best businesses with the aim of meaningfully outperforming global equities. Global leaders are companies that hold a dominant position within the value chain of their respective industries. The overall strategy of the Goodbody Global Leaders Fund is very straightforward. We aim to own the best and not the rest. The harsh reality is that very few companies are genuinely exceptional. Many make it to the top, they enjoy a short period of success, but very few can sustain that success over any prolonged period of time. The longevity and durability of a company's long-term leadership is our sole area of focus. When we look at a business, we're not necessarily trying to understand absolutely everything, but rather the right thing. And the right thing for us is the 2 to 3 key pillars upon which the longevity of a company's success are ultimately determined. That is our focus. That is where we think our approach to looking at these businesses is differentiated. Based on our work, we have identified 3 key defining characteristics of a global leader, and they are resilience, adaptability, and execution. Starting first with resilience. If recent years have taught us anything, it is that no one can have a high level of confidence in their prediction of the future. Therefore, resilience in the face of adversity is a phenomenal leading indicator of the longevity of a company's success. A simple but very powerful measure of resilience is balance sheet strength. In summary, debt causes fragility, cash provides flexibility. A strong balance sheet is an incredibly valuable asset that enables a company to not just survive difficult times, but to thrive during difficult times. The next step is adaptability. The rate of change and level of disruption in the modern business landscape is significant and ever rising given the increased prevalence of technology. The harsh lesson of history is that time and technology ultimately erodes everything. Therefore, adaptability is a critical component to a company's ability to be successful over time. For a business, the rate of improvement on the inside needs to be greater than the rate of improvement on the outside. Otherwise, any level of success will ultimately be short-lived. The final characteristic of a global leader is execution. If there's any one single factor that differentiates a genuine global leader from one of yesterday's winners, it comes down to execution. Execution is action. Execution is in the doing as opposed to the talking. At the end of the day, talk is cheap and actions speak louder than words. We want to evaluate a company based on what they do as opposed to what they say. In summary, resilience plus adaptability, well executed through time, lays the foundation for long-term durable leadership. That is what we refer to as the Global Leaders Formula. The overall strategy of the Global Leaders Fund is very straightforward. We aim to own the best and not the rest.